Hi guys, Miss Kayla here, and I'm gonna be doing a fun craft called edible pudding slime. I've been thinking about it and thinking about it, and I've been wanting to do a slime that is safe for kids under the age of 3 and with materials that you can take from home. So we're gonna do an edible slime. So the ingredients is real simple, and you can choose whatever pudding flavor you like. So it doesn't have to be this one, but I wanted to do this one because it's going to be like a light yellow, like a pastel color. And my godchild Marissa is going to be testing it out. See how slimy it is or if it tastes okay. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what you're going to need is a pack of jello. I picked banana cream, cornstarch, a mixing bowl, measuring cups, and some water. So the first ingredient is a 1/4 cup of instant pudding mix. So we got our bowl. Marcy can put that in. And then the second ingredients is cornstarch. It's a whole cup of cornstarch. Now, of course, before you start this, I would like you guys to wash your hands if you already hadn't. I just ate, so my hands are clean from washing right before. And here's the cornstarch. Dry ingredients first. When you're baking, you want to do dry ingredients, and then you do wet ingredients afterwards. Ooh. Okay. And then it says a 1/3 cup of warm water. So we have room temperature water. Do a third cup. Yeah, 1/3 cup. Of water. Now we're gonna mix it with a spoon, but I forgot the spoon. Got it. And mix it together. You can watch. It's getting harder. The cornstarch making it harder. Now,
I'm gonna cut that out.
I hope. I'm gonna mix it up. Now that it's getting chunky, I'm gonna use my hands and see if this actually works. It might not work.
Just add more water.
Add more water. It is really chalky. Like, I'm gonna try and mix it though. Right now, it's like moon sand almost. It smells like bananas. Wow. I'm gonna add more water. I think it needs more water. I'm gonna do another 1/3 cup of water. I wanted to try this. This is just the trial run. But I know that all this ingredients is like ingredients that you can eat. Like cornstarch is something that thickens soups and mixes well with like sauces and stuff to make it thicker. It's sticking to me now. And that's edible. And then the pudding mix is, of course, edible. And then water. Everybody drinks water. So I thought this would be a good, like...
Try to knead it. Knead it.
Knead it?
Yeah.
Like dough?
Like...
It's starting to look like slime, but it's really sticky. Probably because I put too much
cornstarch?
Water. More cornstarch? Okay. So I guess it's not an exact science when it comes to slime. I think the kids would understand that, but Miss Kayla, she likes to be exact. So I'm probably going to post in the details of this video exactly how much I used. Marissa, can you pour it because I have it all over my hand? Just like sprinkle it.
Put it on your hands too.
Okay. So,
Whenever you play with it, you should probably put cornstarch on your hands so it doesn't stick.
okay. So, Marissa says that it's best to start playing with it with cornstarch on your hands so that it doesn't stick to your hands right away. It's actually pretty nice now, but it's still sticky. We put a little more cornstarch. Whoa. Yeah.
So try to put it on the plate. And then just add the cornstarch as you go.
So, it's a process, and it's really messy, but I know the messier, the better. The kids love getting messy. So, I didn't know how this was gonna turn out. It's obviously a fail, but I wanted to try it because I know that it's it's safe for the little kids, even the toddlers. Like Blake, you could make this, and Maddie could have some because even if it puts it in his mouth, I wouldn't suggest it because, you know, it does smell good. I wonder if it does taste good, but it's really sticky. So just make sure that you wash your hands before this, and that you add cornstarch and water as you need it to try and make it slimy. Ooh. And yep, that's it. I just wanted to videotape my first attempt, and I will take a picture of it. Oh wait, hold on, Marissa, you gotta taste test it. You gotta taste test it on the camera. Hold on. Come over here. Okay, ready? Take a little bit. Does it taste like banana pudding?
Yeah.
Like powdery banana pudding. Ugh. Yeah, it's edible, guys, but I wouldn't suggest eating it. But it does smell good. It smells like bananas.
This could be your thumbnail.
Yeah.
You gotta look at it.
Hey, so I'm back, and I added way more cornstarch than you think. And look, guys, it actually worked. I can touch it, and it's not sticking to me. Ooh. Yay! Success. So I will put the actual directions, like the actual number of ingredients and measurements for everything that I used to make it like this. But do expect it to be sticky at first. Okay? Alright, love you guys. Yay!